Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Patriot Bank, which is the best Patriot Bank account type for students. When I was in college, choosing the right bank account felt unnecessarily complicated. I needed something simple with low fees and features that actually helped me manage my money while I was focused on my studies. Based on my research and experience with student-focused accounts, the clear standout at Patriot Bank is the college-bound student checking account. Why is this the best choice? It's tailored specifically for the student life cycle. First and foremost, you get no minimum balance requirement. This is huge. As a student, my account balance fluctuated wildly between paychecks and financial aid disbursements. Not having to worry about an arbitrary minimum to avoid a fee was a major stress reliever. Secondly, the account offers no minimum opening deposit. You can get started with as little as you wish, which is perfect when you're just starting out and might not have a lot of cash flow. A key feature for me was the ATM access. The college-bound checking account offers rebates on fees for your first 4 monthly withdrawals from non-Patriot ATMs. Let's be honest, on a college campus, you're not always going to be near your home bank's ATM. Those little out-of-network fees add up quickly, and having those rebates saved me real money over the course of the semester. Finally, managing the account is effortless. It comes with 24/7 access to online and mobile banking. Being able to deposit checks with my phone, quickly check my balance between classes, and set up simple bill pay was essential for my busy schedule. In my view, the college-bound student checking account is a practical, no-fluff option designed to support a student financial health by keeping fees low and providing easy access to funds. It's the account I would recommend for any college student starting their financial journey. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.